Yo, what's good everyone? Today we are going to be doing a quick live stream and an update on Bitcoin. We have seen literally consolidation since the start of December, and we're now sat in a range between 90 and like 110k. Now, everyone's probably wondering when we're going to break out of this range and if it's going to be upwards or downwards. And I just wanted to do a little stream to clear a couple of things up. Now, technically, we're in a bit of a sticky part here because we have bullish PD right here and bearish right here, so there is support and resistance very close to each other. Now I'd obviously want to see the resistance get broken above, and then we can target this 100k plus again. All of these grey boxes are resistance, so I want to see price break above this again. Where's my little path tool? Something like, oh, you can't even see that. Something like this, and I want to see it back above the 200 moving average, and then I want to see it test this, and then back to that 108k spot there at the top of the range. But we're obviously going to need a catalyst for that. Now, there has been some news around Bitcoin recently, but I feel like it has fallen off quite a bit. Now, I did see something interesting here on crypto.news. The US government prioritizes creating a framework for stable coins. So, pretty much, I think the US government are going to try and increase the reserve for Bitcoin. And we are going to slowly see federal and government policy slowly implement Bitcoin over time. Now, this will inject liquidity into the market, bullish momentum, which will drive price up, and consumer sentiment will also grow with this, which is good for Bitcoin. But the regulatory aspect is that with this government regulation on crypto, are investors going to be as likely to invest? Which is a good question, but it's widely accepted by the financial community, so I think we will have no problems there. I also heard that China is unbanning crypto, which might be a rumour. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but if that happens, that's also really good for Bitcoin, especially in the longer term. Short term, we are probably going to see a bit more consolidation for a while now. We are literally trading on barely any volume, so you never know, we may see a huge pump back up above 100k, sustain it. I'd love to see that. 200 SMA is literally sat on 100k, so there's resistance there, but I don't see it having a problem breaking above it. Now is probably a good time to buy. Below 100k, you could wait till it gets down to about here again. This is why I've been telling my channel to buy. I've been putting buy signals in every time it hits these levels here. So, for example, the other day, we put a buy signal out there, and then we closed it at this resistance. So, that was a really nice trade. You can join my group. It's in my bio of my YouTube channel. It's on Telegram. It's completely free. I post loads of stuff on there. It's worth joining. What was I saying? Yeah. Literally pure consolidation here. So, like, support, I'll literally draw the boxes now. Support is here. Resistance is here and here. Like, we're in such a small range. We have to see a breakout of something soon. So I'm actually quite excited. We just got to hope it's to the upside. We are seeing a little bit of break of structure here. If we can close a couple candles above this line, that would be great. We did have this kind of happen, which it's not great, obviously. This isn't great either, obviously, but I think we will start to see some more bullish momentum come in here. A lot of the hype did die down on Bitcoin after Trump was elected, but that brought a lot of volatility too, which made Bitcoin harder to trade, I think. I mean, I called it perfectly back when it was at... I checked my post. I had it... it's like 70k. I was calling it in a group at like 65, I think. 65k, but I posted on the thing at 70k. Now that was quite easy to trade, but as soon as all that momentum kicked in, there was not really any opportunity to buy. But here we are getting more and more opportunity to buy, but we also need to see this push soon, and I want to talk about target now. I want to see second quarter of 2025. I want to see a sustained break above 100k, like stable price action above it, and then towards the end of 2025, I want to see 130k get hit, maybe 150k. That would be great. And then the sky's the limit is really, really all to come for Bitcoin. The sky is the limit. It's an inflation hedge. It's a stable investment. It'll make you money, and you can trust it. Like, it's just a great investment. I'd recommend anyone who's interested in getting into investing to buy some Bitcoin. Also diversify. You can get other cryptos like XRP or Solana. I wouldn't invest in Ethereum right now. I wouldn't touch that, but yeah. Look at that. I think that's all I really wanted to say about Bitcoin. We just need to see that break. We have that very immediate support and resistance. It needs to get broken above, and then we can look to target that breakout and see sustained price action above 100k. Just a quick one.